Does car insurance cover alternator replacement? Have you ever wondered if your car insurance can help you out when your alternator goes bad? It's a common concern for drivers, especially when dealing with unexpected car troubles. Let's break down how car insurance interacts with alternator issues and what options you have for assistance. Typically, standard car insurance policies do not cover the cost of replacing an alternator. This is because alternator failure is usually seen as a mechanical breakdown or normal wear and tear. Car insurance is designed to cover damages from accidents, theft, or vandalism, not regular maintenance or mechanical failures. However, if your alternator is damaged due to a covered accident, your insurance might help. For instance, if a collision impacts your vehicle's electrical system, including the alternator, the repair costs could be covered under collision coverage or the liability coverage of the at-fault driver. You might also come across something called mechanical breakdown insurance or extended warranties. These are separate from standard car insurance and can cover repairs or replacements for major vehicle components like the alternator. If you want this kind of coverage, you will need to purchase it separately. Now, let's talk about roadside assistance. Many car insurance policies offer this as an optional add-on. Roadside assistance can be a lifesaver if your car won't start due to a dead battery, which could be caused by a failing alternator. However, it's important to note that roadside assistance does not cover the cost of replacing the alternator itself. Instead, roadside assistance services can help in several ways. They can jumpstart your car if the battery is dead, tow your vehicle to a mechanic if it cannot be started, and provide other services like tire changes or fuel delivery. If your alternator fails and your car stalls, roadside assistance can get you back on the road temporarily or tow your car for repairs. Keep in mind that the cost of replacing an alternator can range from a few hundred to around $1,000, depending on your vehicle and labor costs. Planning for potential alternator issues through extended warranties or mechanical breakdown coverage can save you money and hassle in the long run. In summary, standard car insurance does not cover alternator replacement unless it results from a covered accident. Mechanical breakdown insurance or extended warranties may cover alternator repairs but are separate from standard insurance. Roadside assistance can help with jump starts or towing if your alternator fails but does not pay for the repair itself.